कैसे स्टूडेंट, आज हम बात करेंगे एडवर्स इफेक्ट एंड साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ ड्रग. The terms adverse effect and side effect of drugs are often used interchangeably. Like that, ड्रग के वे इफेक्ट जो किसी पेशेंट को नहीं चाहिए, लाइक दैट अनडिजायरेबल इफेक्ट ऑफ ड्रग, तो ये हमें साइड इफेक्ट के रूप में मिलते हैं और ये हमें एडवर्स इफेक्ट के रूप में भी मिलते हैं. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं साइड इफेक्ट. साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ ड्रग definition. A side effect is an unintended secondary effect of drug that occurs alongside the desired therapeutic effect. Side effects are usually known, predictable, and can be mild or temporary. Example: drowsiness from antihistamine, nausea from antibiotics, dry mouth from antidepressant. Like that, क्या ये side effect of drug. K features: often harmless or tolerable, sometimes can be beneficial, like that minoxidil for hair growth. Dose dependent, usually discussed in advance with patients. Again, adverse effect of drug. An adverse effect is any harmful and undesired effect resulting from a medication at normal dose. It may be mild to severe and sometimes life-threatening. Example: liver damage from high dose of paracetamol. Liver damage from high dose of paracetamol. Allergic reaction like anaphylaxis from penicillin. Allergic reaction like anaphylaxis from penicillin. Gastrointestinal bleeding from NSAIDs. Gastrointestinal bleeding from NSAIDs. NSAIDs means non-steroidal anti-inflammatory ड्रग, जो कि लास्ट टाइम हमने पढ़ा था. के फीचर: may require medical intervention. May require medical intervention. Can lead to discontinuation of the drug. Often reported and monitored in pharmacovigilance. Include toxins, idiosyncratic or allergic reaction. Allergic reaction के डिफरेंस. आप थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस जानेंगे साइड इफेक्ट और एडवर्स इफेक्ट के बारे में. सबसे पहले इंटेंट. unintended but often expected. Unintended and often unexpected. Severity: usually mild, can be severe of life-threatening. Predictable: often predictable, of can be unpredictable. Management: often tolerated, managed, may be discontinued or treatment. Example: dry mouth dizziness, liver toxicity, allergic reaction.